The best part about my job is when I receive a case that's in very poor condition. I get great satisfaction when I see the shape come back into the watch right before my eyes. My name is Jonathan and I'm a polisher for Patek Philippe. When I receive a job, the first step I take is check out the watch to see what condition the watch is in. Every part of the polishing process is a series of precise movements, like the mechanisms inside the watch. For example, I would check the bezel and the crystal for any scratches or marks that are on these areas. And when I finish the timepiece, I get a real sense of fulfillment and happiness that I've completed the work to my highest standards. The respect for the details and the passion that I put into my job means that every day is a new challenge.